This is the lesson on how to play the main riff from Secret Agent Man by Blues Traveler. So it only takes place on our two strings, our B string and our thin E string. We only have two variations to the note. First fret on B and second fret on B. Those are the only types of notes that are in this riff. So it goes. Okay, so it goes very slowly. Notes are 0, 0, that's on B and E, then 1 on B followed by 0 on E, and that goes down, up, down, up, down, up. They're all varied. So from the beginning, and I'd take that on its own, get the groove. Now the next one essentially is second fret on B, which you'll only play that note once. Then you're back to your pattern of 1 and 0. To split this riff up into two parts, it will go as follows. It will go and now there is one extra little bit of flavor going on here, and it is the slide from the first fret to the second fret. Listen to me play it without it, and then I'll put it in. You'll hear it sort of glides easier. So it goes 3, 4 without, sorry, 3, 4. With it. You hear that sort of phrasing there. All I'm doing is after I do, you don't need to change any of your notes. You just need to add in this slide. Instead of going straight from 1 to 2, just hit 1 and slide into the 2. So it goes and you slide into the 2 that way. So I'll do that one more time. And that's the riff.